Hey guys, so how are we doing? Plan to vlog the day, which I'm trying to keep up back with now, because honestly this morning when I started everything was going so well, and then I stopped at Starbucks and all of my matcha latte dash way outside of the Starbucks place. And when me say me frustrated, this person is trying to reverse. When me say frustration lick me, like honestly guys, really. And I mean, like, I wanted to turn back and take a picture of it just to kind of include in the vlog, but I couldn't. I feel like that would have come across as a little fake, because me never in the mood for this. Yeah, like honestly guys, I was looking forward to my matcha. I didn't have anything. Now at this point it's now 3:15. I haven't had anything to eat all day. So that was supposed to be my breakfast, and me just end up not having anything. And then it's like water dashing in my bag with my laptop. Thankfully my laptop is fine, but you know, all of these things just came together and made me feel like overwhelmed. Stop. Yeah, all of these things came together and made me feel overwhelmed. So me did just put on the phone and me say me nah vlog no more for nothing. Like I just wasn't in the mood. But guys, now I'm leaving the office. I work from home for the most part, but I came into office today just to kind of break up the monotony of every day. But I mean, if I'm being honest, I get more work done when I'm at home. So me attempting to start off my vlog in a very nice way. I was gonna shake my matcha latte and just be like, hi guys, welcome back. But it never work out like that. So anyway, so how is everybody doing? This is my daily vlog, so I'm gonna edit this and maybe I'll post it tonight, which would be Tuesday, November 30, or I'll post it on Sunday, not sure, but I'm going to see how it works out, because yeah, I just wanted to try out something and hopefully you guys like it. Today was so awful in the morning, but now I'm feeling a little better. I'm starving, so I'm off to get some lunch now. As I said, it's 3:15. It's now about 3:17 now. So I'm off to get some food. I'm feeling for some Chinese food. As I said, I don't eat from morning, so I'm gonna make some bad decisions right now, and I saw it for some time. Oh yeah, I'm about to go and get some Chinese food, and then I'm gonna go and buy some hair, because I need to do some jumbo knotless braids over the weekend. So since I'm in halfway tree, I just going to stop and get the braids, get the hair, and get the food at Sakura, which is, I just really like them food. Food just it just hits the spot, you know. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go home and finish up some work, because I have some deadlines that I need to get hit for certain things, and I have a package at home, so I might do a little SHEIN unboxing. I really like SHEIN. I shop from SHEIN so much, so I'm like, why not just do a little unboxing? And I have a couple things from Amazon as well, so I will show you guys that, and then I think that's what I will close out the vlog with. It seems like I might have enough footage to make up a daily vlog, but you know, the morning never starts so hot. But in the name of Jesus, we're pushing through, and I'm gonna get that content. I'm gonna get that content. All right guys, so I'm home now. I just stuffed my face real fast. I'm waiting on an approval for something I need to send out to all employees. So it's now 4:43 p.m. Oh god, I had Chinese food and I ate it so fast. So this is the package that I got. This one is from Amazon and this one is from SHEIN. So I said, let me just do a quick little unboxing. So I think this is my first unboxing on this channel, or is it? I think I've done clothing stuff before, but I've never done like a actual, like, you're gonna see what I got while I got it. So this is, or in real time. So this is, let me open the SHEIN one first. No, oh, this is from SHEIN and this is from Amazon. Yeah. So I got these earrings. Aren't they so pretty? These earrings. It's all an outfit, so everything in here is an outfit. So yeah, They're really, really cheap. That's why I love SHEIN, you know, because like when it comes down to like fashion jewelry and them something there, if I was to buy this out here in Jamaica, I would have spent probably $3,000. They are so heavy. Oh, such good quality. They're gonna look so good. I got this watch and a bracelet. I'm gonna try them on. So pretty. I got these earrings as well. Those are gorgeous. I want to take them out. Can I tell you that even though you buy things like it's a joy of online shopping. You know you buy them something here and you know they come in, but when they come it's like, oh my god, for me. These curve under. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look on that. Alright, and I got this clutch. I got to go. As I said, everything is an outfit. I love this. And one thing with SHEIN, I don't know how they have things that are so cheap, but this has a lot of space. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? Like when hi, I'm here. I'm gonna see if the phone will fit. Yeah, the phone will fit. And now, what I was really looking forward to, this dress, guys. All right, it's good quality. So, all right, I wanted a style of dress that I've never really worn before. This is pretty big. It's like an oversized vibe. Isn't this nice? Yeah, man, this is gonna be really good, and I'm gonna stay cool because this is for a wedding. You'll see what I'm gonna post on my Instagram. Follow me on my socials. Guys, this is beautiful. The color is beautiful. Think about this with these earrings. I wanted to get these earrings because they kind of match this. So think about this and this, and then I'm gonna have braids, and then I'm gonna be like, yeah, this is really cute. I'm happy. And this bag, yeah, man. SHEIN always. Well, I've been shopping on SHEIN for years now at this point. Not years, but like a good amount of time. Enough to know how to shop on SHEIN. So it's a place where you have to kind of learn how to shop on there. Read the product descriptions and read the sizing chart. Pay attention to those two things and you can't go wrong, right? Makeup can't go wrong, right? So you yeah, that's the key to shopping on SHEIN. So and I always know how to find coupon codes, and I always just listen. I spend money on experiences, not clothes like that. I can't. I mean, if it's like a special occasion, I'll spend money on clothes for like an expensive piece or whatever. If it's for everyday wear, like even because on SHEIN nowadays. When I started shopping on SHEIN, it was a little more iffy to me. But I feel like their quality has become so much better, and they really have a price point that they like to stick to in mind. I noticed that it's very conscientious like that, and then it's like they know that they'll always get the sale, so there's no reason for them to start switching up on people and charging like $100 for something that they always charge $15 or $10 or $20 for. So that's one thing I like with SHEIN, the consistency with the product. As I say, you have to learn to shop it and just spend time and learn the website, and you can't go wrong. I've probably made a mistake on SHEIN probably like 5 times. And then these two things I got. This is for Hakeem. So it's a bladeless fan. It's a bladeless neck fan. So I'll leave this for him to open, but it seems like it's really good. And then I got this, which is just a memory, an SD memory card, because I need it for my phone. Now, what time is it now? It's now 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna be signing off this. Vlog. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And yeah, I'm happy that you're with me, and I hope you stay.